Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another Trading View update. Bitcoin and Ethereum spent the most of yesterday testing new all-time highs, but are starting to pull back a little bit as it looks like there seems to be a rotation of money flowing from Bitcoin and Ethereum to an extent into the so-called class of Dino coins. So XLM, Litecoin, Chainlink, all moving with slight outperformance at the moment. Let's have a look at what's happened over the last few hours at least. So Bitcoin finally finding some resistance at the 1.618 fib extension level. That's the June low and the September local top. See that very nicely, finding the resistance there. To the downside, I've got initial support kind of coming in at 67K, which is the previous all-time high back at the beginning, or the middle of October. Would like to see this hold. If it doesn't, then I think it's pretty possible that we'll see a drop back down to 64, which again, it wouldn't necessarily be a bad thing. Funding rates are still somewhat stretched, as we've seen over the last few days. A sudden move down would likely just help reset funding rates a bit more. And allow us to get ready for that next push higher. If we do move higher, this logarithmic growth curve coming through at 71 could be the next main area of resistance, where prices will see some sort of price consolidation for a couple of days. But then again, if that doesn't hold and prices continue to move higher, I'm looking at the 4.618 fib extension level at 81K, which is charted from the bull run from 2017. So if we zoom out, let me get rid of these curves. If we zoom out here, you can see how this is charted from the 2017 high and the DEC 2018 low. And this is starting to really shape up nicely. And so move up to 4.618. To me, over the next few weeks, at some point will definitely happen. It's just a question of whether it's over the next few days or within the next 7 days, or whether we'll take towards the end of the month. But overall, we called for all-time highs at the beginning of November. We're on the 10th of November, and we're already there. So one thing that I would say, final thing I want to say about Bitcoin is that these logarithmic growth curves that have been in play, they are historically good at offering key values, levels of support and resistance. And we can see that we've only actually just broken into the upper half of these growth curves. This is why we still have a very bullish view of the next few months, and we expect prices to move all the way to the top of this trading corridor by January of next year. On the ETH side, ETH is still, textbook bull run. The October channel that we've been in has found the previous levels of support and resistance. We're now making that move. We're making that move back down towards 4,650, which I expect will test either today or tomorrow. Could then move even lower to 4,440. But I think once we see this level tested, we'll continue to move higher up towards $5,000 by next week. If this momentum that we're seeing starts to collapse and prices continue to go lower, then the main kind of the crucial support levels are at 4,200, which is the daily close from the previous all-time high back in May, and we're looking at the 4,000 support level as well, which is the local top from the 5th of September. That's it from us. Have a good day.